Namaste. Curious about the wonders of Navratri 2025? Buckle up as we explore its sacred rules, enchanting stories, and profound significance. Starting March 30th, 2025, we celebrate Chaitra Navratri, a time to worship the 9 forms of Goddess Durga. Let's kick off with the rules. Fast with a sattvic diet, no grains, onions, or garlic. Stick to milk, fruits, and rock salt. And hey, say no to alcohol, meat, and smoking. Next, daily rituals. After your morning bath, wear red or yellow, set up a Kalash, and recite Durga Saptashati. Keep a sacred flame burning throughout the 9 days. Special rules? Practice celibacy, shun lies and anger, and embrace positivity. Donate food to girls and clothes or grains to the needy. Now the stories. First, Mahishasur the demon defeated the gods. From their combined energies, Goddess Durga emerged, battling him for 9 days before her victory on Dashami. Second, Lord Ram worshipped Goddess Durga during Chaitra Navratri, gaining strength to defeat Ravana on Ramnavami. Let's not forget the 9 goddesses and their colors. Day 1, Shelputri in red. Day 2, Brahmacharini in blue, and so on, till day 9, Siddhidatri in purple. Finally, some tips: perform Kanya Puja on Ashtami or Navami, and on Dashami, celebrate Ram Navami. Chant the mantra, Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu, Shakti Rupena Samstita, Namastasyai 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 Namo Namah. May Navratri bring joy, strength, and prosperity to your life. Want to know more about a specific goddess? Let us know.